Hi and welcome back to Morgoth Media, where today I'm going to be reviewing the Chicken Big Mac, the new one from McDonald's in the blue box. Let's give it a go, shall we? Everyone's had a Big Mac, but they've had a Chicken Big Mac. Let's give it a go. So let's have a little look at this little bad boy. Here we go. Plenty of lettuce in that. Look at that, it's just pissing out of lettuce, you can see. Got a dry bun on top. Got like a chicken stack there a little bit. You got your pickles, you got your burger sauce, your lettuce, you got another one of them bits of chicken on it, you got your cheese. Let's give it a go, shall we? See if it's any good. Got to use both hands on this one. It's quite a big boy, very squidgy. Let's get in there and see what it's all about. Oh. No. Don't like this one. Not very good. Chicken's that processed chicken. It's just that reformed chicken, which is a shame for what it's worth. I don't like that as much as I'm not even going to take another bite of that, if I'm honest. I think I'll give it a good try. Look at that, you got chicken, I'll give it a good try of that. Doesn't work for me. That's a shame. Definitely wouldn't buy that again. Just a phase, that one. Oh well. Worth a try. That's my review on that one. Definitely not buying that one again. Oh well.